Stop majesty. Genesis, the baddest. Also, anyway, take it. So quiet. I know you're easy. You're wow. I know you're easy. You're wow. I know you're easy. You're big bill. You're big boss. I know you're easy. When you're big bill, okay, man, you're less than two. I know you're easy. Wow, yeah, come on. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Okay, do let you see. We don't get well, we on your wow, we don't get me, we on your dad. We don't get me, we on your wow, we on your dad. I know your friend and your big baby. I can your friend, I know your big baby. You need your church. Now you back up your niece. If you need a most ego, or you got to Nazapa. Ramos away. We need my way. I don't know your style. I see it. Yes, I can play glue. I said, I know you're easy. I don't know you're easy. You're big bill, you're big boss. I know you're easy. Where you're big bill, okay, man, you're less than two. Buy up the wow. I know you're easy. Wow, yeah, come on. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Okay, do let's see. Get bestie, your bestie get bestie, my bestie get bestie. Oh, the young one, yo. Love no be young, oh, go, no, waiting man no go see, waiting Baba see, waiting Baba see. Baba there, if you tell your bestie secret, I beg you, my bestie, not tell anybody. You forget say your bestie get bestie. That bestie get another bestie. As soon as they go the bestie, before you know every weekend don't boss. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Why? Okay, man, you're less than two. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Okay, don't let's see. I feel for you, Lisa. And we are here. And I'm in a Missa Kigon. I'm in a tower for everyone. I'm a tower for everyone. And we are here. I'm in the police. I'm in a milk family. Oh, Babylon. Also, no, you won't be out. 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 Minimum, we are you wow, we are you wow, we are you dead. We are you wow, buy your today.
Da veia we sing. Da veia we sing. I adore Zira.
I know you're easy. I know you're easy. I know you're easy. Why? Okay, you're less oh, la, la, la. I know you're easy. I know you're easy.
Tayo. You wanna play with me? It be one way. Oh, what the last? It be one way. You wanna play with me, huh? Watch share video now. Guys, please share this video as it hurts. I don't understand.
I can't imagine myself now using myself to be comparing somebody like my daughter. Or my baby, me a tattoo for my me a setting on my beer. It will go and play competition because daddy yake. Who daddy yake? Who I'm a bomb with bath. You and when you can't now well. Make us say you were the need Jesus Christ because he might come down from a road out. Oh, you're making a road. Yes, he's getting that way.
Please guys, share this video as it hurts. I'm going to share video now. You get why? Now I call it butter. Let us feel butter. Let's call it butter. I just the entire house, but we are here video now butter. Oh my God. Let me share myself my phone. You guys should share this video.
My daughter.
I know you're easy. Okay, my lesson. I know you're easy. I tell you. Ew, yeah, what game is social media? Who get it be one? You want to do all the type my media. You mind the difference between you mind not a bam or a book. A bam or you mind not a book. You do a go me go media. You are going to feel. You are going to feel for. I hear no you there. I tell you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. I greet you for now, better say good evening. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Depends on wherever you guys are watching this video from. I still remember about this man. So this evening, I'm coming out to talk to
I'm a busy person, as I said earlier. Otherwise, I'm supposed to come the knock now. You need to ask who you want. I come better.
I welcome better no boy. I don't really have time. I'm a busy person, as I always say. Okay, can you go you on my debut? Oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God, oh God. You see this media, eh? You see those shameless people on this social media cyberspace now they make mad pass. People that doesn't have shame. I equal ne or Facebook. When I get born through way. You know, on social media, but she's so shameless. Okuno be me 5, and I not deny her, no ever be. A useless, shameless she-goats, which is Vera Benjamin. Because we'll hear Vera. In the way when you because the way the sun went, you're not a Vera Benjamin. No Zua. The same you came out on social media to say you don't deal with Benjamin, Benjamin don't leave you. But eventually, maybe that fight will not fight. Will be say they beat Benjamin. It don't make Benjamin leave you. You can't answer for your social media handles. Say you and Benjamin and again. Now you come and say, go better, hey, guy. I want to see the truth. See that.
Now, can't wait to say you go back to this. All the days for me, come better. They can't tell us the model of for when you buy new bell. When your baby fella, when you wear. I don't understand. So you get mad to say now, so you post the picture now. You don't get social media this abroad. Many people don't know car. Many people they they don't know motor. All the way to they don't know my Jeep, and it's a pity. It's a pity. And many people don't know the quality of a car. They don't know. Now Jeep, the motor fan, the motor company like this. Did you know the quality? Did you know how many POS as in many power when the car gets we go? You know when you be saying you will get confidence of driving the car network.
Please underline that part. POS. Underline how many POS car gets. I beg. I use God beg una. Gonna help me underline and write on POS. I beg. If vulcanizer or carburetor or panabita or mechanic dey for this platform, make una call me, una tell me where POS dey for inside car. Instead, whether na fuel that they use POS they withdraw or na money, because the POS we will know for Nigeria, na money that they use and they withdraw. POS we will know for abroad, na money that they use and they withdraw. I beg, I don't know where POS dey for inside car. God, that way we not go see for illiterate hand. Illiterate one control. Illiterate one educate illiterate people.
Some people go carry car like this car where this is best I can show them. No before. It don't make you say they all the waka far. They don't the waka far. You see that my man motto, eh? We don't use a gold ninja now more than many times. Benjo na so. You not be to carry car. Is it working? Is the car moving steady? Is the car get POS? When they say to say you get power. When you go the right, you know to say, oh,
POS.
There is difference between motor and car. You get that? Not be by Jeep. Did your motor have the capacity to move? You will have the confidence of, but to start time, you go anywhere where they go. If you say they go on that country, tell inside. You go there. Now, say inside. Many of my car don't learn how to drive come out for the country. Even drive like from your city to another city. Kilometer, I know go fit drive, but there is a car. You know, there's a car that has small POS. So we say, even for autobahn, we call it autobahn, you know they move. I know if you can't enter autobahn, because if you go cause accident for road. Not be by car, fine, but at a time. Compared to this Volvo, they say they drive this time because I want to come and expose you. I want to expose you. Compared to no good. Is this a car? I don't understand which model, which year they do, and which will be the engine power, which power get, and how it take there. Look at the this. You know, say in a person, so you say go do. So we need to go screenshot so come and say, this price that is here.
Una see my cow. I want to show the marker. manka na one so na so. Una see the person with it. I see marker. Now marker with this one. This is marker na BM. My man, come on by. Cover your mouth. See, sinker. The man even follow the BMW past Vera. No need transport motor. Look, we are bad. It's a bit respect. But they I just budget the work. Feel the talk and the feel the talk. Now see better with the talk. Don't forget all this one. No. It's better we no give. It's better we no give me. It's shame and disgrace to me life in. Now she come for her say want go be the woman of market. Now she come for her do video say he want go beat the woman of market. See, now see the scenario. How do you have to test that? Now if they do video the man the woman. See the man the woman.
Share this video, guys. For you. Give my phone. Give my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. You didn't mind. Give my phone. Give my phone. Give it to me. Give it to me, okay? Give my phone. Give my phone. Give my phone. Beat me. Oh, the guy beat me. Oh, God, this is useless. Oh, God, this is useless. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me. Beat me.
Is it gonna be yours? Mine go beat.
Hold on.
The man say na you me want beat, na the husband want beat. Jesus. Imagine person will talk. Imagine person where they cost Monica.
Yeah. 12,000. They know. Because you can go to another country,
here so. Now I don't go let and go bed, don't tire. In the go, in the move. Oh God. You know the girl has blood legs of the road. You see that motor? You don't back because you buy another one. So you see that motor? You see that car?
Imagine saying that Monica can't jump this kind of woman now for great grand one fight. If that woman will get bold leg, I gotta beat this woman stoop off like this. Imagine saying that Monica can't jump this kind of woman for grand. Eto wa born now. Eto wa the woman in no wa born. This you will not your guess go power to fight your own fellow woman. You will be taught to win the way past. You will say if they see you for it, they will grant you like granny too. You will still meet woman with don't born 5 children like you. He beats you like stupid. He beats you like he wants you. What are you? Listen to her. I go see you play the video for now. Where they for both they finish they blast her. They beat her like they beat chicken.
You know what they say that car with the sister. Oh God. Now that car just go down where Esther see us. He go Belgium, they go for years, we don't use a thing go Berlin. That car, not to carry car to drive around the city now. They move. Is your car road trustworthy? Is it road trustworthy? When you go carry a car road, even you know motor go the before you go say, who be this? And mama like all those car. When you go go well, you get that? You get that? Even so you go look and say, this car they move like this. So, may I go better? Now, so you tell us that you buy baby Vela go better. Fake class for one issue. I go better for issue. I go better. You tell us that you buy them. You can't see buy one, the one that pictures or proof. You can't see come on and phone for Congo, but I bet video of the just even the baby Vela when you talk. What's the blue moon? We take them when I go to the rental. I go better no fear, no good vision, no good bear. A man sang by saying no break because me then wear. Until I don't get time, like they pay me. Please share this video. Give me love, my people. Happy Sunday, you are welcome. Please share this video. I go better. In a vote, you don't see what kind come and see. I been up with this kind of you pre come as I know too. Because people will not look at this one. I have not priced it too. Fake life, not too much for this social media. People, you see this car where I come better say by so. Now, Jenny, I never price her. If I price her, then I say I have money. It's because the conference is an auto support. I don't buy this car for fun with my get for hands. 3,000, 2,800 they will send them. I got better than this motor. So no, because he congratulates after many years in abroad. I got better than when you want to that message in the matter change, or than so on, I'm going to get a matter. Yes. I got better now they try this one again. I got better no too. I got better this one for the try for. I got better so far I'm cheap. What you can confident to see people for social media. I'll come mash you today. Go better bet. Bring the receipt. How much you can buy this car? I got better. Pathetic that fake life. Fake life. You know the show when you know where you are going on or going on talk away. When you not the long of you. You know the sick car one of the jar. I got better. Better. No cook which way. I got better. Bring the receipt to buy this car. Me, I go find this car on my side. Come tell us the model. Come tell us everything. Now borrow car. Okay. I got better. Maybe you get what they use congratulations to the two. Please share this video. Give me love, guys. Maybe you congratulations. You're happy Sunday, mommy. Good evening, mommy. How is the family, mommy? Thank you. Welcome. Please go and share this video. Let me see love and like, guys. I come. Share it, my people. Wanna see me sick palava? Why never get palava? I got better no fear. Please share this video. Give me love. I got better. This one at the car we put. I bet wanna look. Wanna go say no, Wanna look the where the lights they wanna see where that red lights they when it cough on like this. Wanna look at screenshot this one when I put for here. How are you? I'm fine, mommy. You are welcome. Screenshot that go check out the one when the post if there's any mistake. I go better. See the amount here. Because you know, see, you want to take time. Go with that. You say na trillions now you take back. Because now so like now you take life to go. I go better. I bet when I screenshot this part, screenshot her, trying to see the likes. Screenshot her. This one are 5,800. We never price, so price never did. We never price her. They never price it. I ain't take better information. Whatever better. They shame now. How many years now, bro? I want to drive this like because many people take this social media. My man, they drive Jeep. My woman, they drive Jeep. What is the model? How many this the POS it gets? How many liters that they call now? They'll say 5.7 liter, 5.9. Then add the engine, take their power, and how it take their way. Now, so the facility will see take their way. I beg, I go better no good boy. You know what you have to I go better show us the receipt. You know, I'm so lie. Now you can lie the go. Hi, good afternoon. You're welcome. Welcome, mommy. Please, you're welcome, bro. Please share this video to my people. I bet when I look the car because I go better if another person go find go quick the screenshot. If you not doing, go send the people when they quickly the screenshot. I go better now me do this one by myself. No fear. More what to be me one on man. Now me go to one by myself. I don't need to find somebody to help me. Oh. Please share this video. Give me love. I go better. Share this video. Give me love. I'm gonna pull up for this video now, please. Oh, pull up. Hey. This is not charge. Share this video. I go better. Share this video for me. Share. Give me love. As I come in, please pull up on this video, please. Share. Give me love. Share the video, my lovely people. I go better. This one are motto when you say you go by. Now it be this one. Now I go stand. Come and go check her out very well. The up, wanna look the up, look at, reach down. If you are where you go just sit down. You go the fake life you carry no more. How many years in a break up better where you not just share? Go bring DNA then you don't go see man tell they talk to person who fear you. You see man tell they talk to person. They don't know where DNA I know where they not marry to marry. In another person you go carry share you go analyzer. Echo better. This car they say na boroboro because as it look right now, it look like boroboro or not the boroboro. Echo better to go make a boro no na no go ya boro eh. Oh, I must take back or show us no fear. I know say that a kulu way is useless way, yeah. It did there. So say person born, grace born. You carry copyright and then you say not the hungry. I go better me you go walk. Because today like the say when they work for this bicycle now they go better you the colobon bijou. Or go be man say you be like go better ba bon lara bijou be ne ra to polo la emi wiwa. La when they say we no not so we not there with you. We don't say I should be want to square use your wish check over no sir. Because you know you don't get so don't get a fake class na square you. I'm not be fake class for you be then say no you don't go back for fake class. Oh yes, Robo. And go better. Men will do competition of house. As council house when you go renovate. See today we not see receipt. We not see document of house when you buy. See tomorrow. I'm here now when no caution house now you go they say now something I talk after 1 year plus. For no buy you not get la ta give body you don't go 1 year la tian. They were born now with me. You bear for here no year what they call better. No get good. Le kuemu onya right believe. She don't buy the tokuboka. All the tokuboka I don't buy finish my people. Thank you. For when I look at when she says she go back, this one online thing. If I price this guy 2,800, so forth coffee, I won't go buy a nana that is so forth nana. I won't go buy her. They will sell her 2,800. Yes, this one I just price. You best never price her. I go better bring receipts. We have the motor no good boy. They were born out benefit life we talk boy. From baby fella to Fofo. Oh, details. I think that year 2003 Fofo. The year 2003 Fofo. I over do Munaxi and the 2024. 21 years ago. I over do now you come aside. And so many people still congratulate you. The ignorant people, the ungullible people, when they social media, when they don't know car, when they not feel they ask questions about car, they will begin to fool themselves the right congratulations. Not the person like me, one is car to deceive. No, who did this Volvo?
I greet you now with better style. Now, good evening, my lovely people. You guys are highly welcome to this program. Please share this video. I now come here to insult Vera television program. Instead, I came here this evening. I come here this evening to come advise our sister Monica Ambrose Iyeki. Now you are come talk to, because I know we want to talk to person we get nothing to lose. When I mean person we get nothing to lose, somebody will be say family rejected, community rejected, society rejected. Abandon projects. I don't want to talk to abandon projects. I want to talk to somebody who gets somebody who they look as mentor. Somebody will be say people they look onto her. People believe in her. Person will get respect for other people. Person will be say people feel the advice they take. Person will God they bless. Person will be say carry grace, will not be disgrace. Will be say no matter the bass boost which they collect, she they excel. Whether fake life or real life, at least most of the things we still use on the mock and say she not gets. The things still there with her. Even though she they pay, put as borrow. But for she to still sustain it to herself, at least now something good to herself or to her family. So because of that, I'll give her advice. That's why I say message to Vera Prøvoke and Monica. I want to give you advice. You understand? I believe for age I go senior you, or you go senior me. Two things of involved. But as far as I be Bini, I be man, I senior you. I mother Jegbe, what is young? You understand? So I go advise you as my sister. They listen to this advice. Now me they give you this advice for this evening. I listen to this video where this noise speaker do. This same woman will be supporter of your enemy, which is a we. You understand? So I know say you know will care because after all, you know say that noise speaker that food is different for media to chop. You understand? You see, you get where person go do brokers fish. You come big past the situation whereby you will carry do brokers just to get view, just to make money for the day. May not be like to do a waste. You just want to do video, you just want to talk. Me for make money for the day. You want to make at least like $2, $3, $5. So let me not be like say the video where you to throw out you waste time. People do like that. You, Monica, you don't urge before, you don't offend people. Big tally. Yes, I will not hesitate to tell you. Several times you don't still apologize. Some people forgive you, some people not still forgive you. That's true. You understand? Based on what you don't do. Like me, I saga you. Most of the things I saga you and the words of your mouth what you do for the past. Now today always they come, they accuse you. Because now what you very for ground first. Say whatever the man sows shall he reap. You understand? But for the now, I mean, I say I don't let go. You understand? And when I see things will be say, you know, they clear, you know, they right, I'll come around just to come and address them. Like this animal now when they talk, they insult you about the cow you buy. You understand? For example, for me, if I decide to show my receipt of a car where I buy, or for better where I buy, or for this water where I buy, I want to show the receipt, I will show them. Somebody will still come and tell me, say, this water don't need buy them. Somebody will still come and tell me, this water is fake, on the original. As they hate me rich for this media, I tell you so. If I just say this thing I buy with receipt, I get the receipt. I will see a person will still come and tell me, say, this thing is fake, not the original, don't need buy them. As we hate ourselves rich for media, be down. For him to just say, congratulations for this water we are buying. He or she must try as much as possible to criticize me. But nevertheless, you never give up. Because the criticism about your life, about your achievements, will make you to achieve more. The criticism that your enemy will criticize you will make you to achieve more. Now let me go further to say, who are these your enemy? These are people that you have fed before. You don't even feed them. Oh God, make a drink water. see person like me, more about this man. If I criticize you, you go there unique, you go there nice, because why? I'm not your enemy. You know why? Because you never feed me. I never chop your 1 naira. So for that simple reason, people will say, this boy is not saying this thing out of jealousy, or because this person don't give him money again. But you see people where you don't feed, where don't the other your payroll. People where you don't grow, where you through you blow, where pass through you, they can't know them. They can't turn against you, they criticize you. You show them and your grace, they haunt them. Your grace, your achievements, they haunt them. Your achievement has turned to headache to them. Your achievement has turned to nightmare to them. Yes. Emmanuel Kakokore, they now become your enemy today, shouting, ranting, making noise, become a lunatic, a noise speaker. It shows that your achievements, they give them headache. My sister, gather more strength to achieve more. Yes. You have just how many cars? 3 cars now. You remain one to make it 4 cars. You guys are 5. You are your husband and 1. You are your husband number 1. You get 3 children, making it 4. Understand? So all your children give them 1 car as giveaway for them. And let me know what to use social media money do. Sister, me they clear for you. Because this Facebook money dey, me I use and build house. Now achievement. I buy 1, 2, 3, 4. I buy 4 cars through these medias. Now achievement. I open restaurants for my sisters. Give my siblings money. When they take open business, they do through the social media. Now achievements. You understand? You see, they cause headache for my enemy body. The same way your own, they cause headache for your enemy body. My sister, I will advise you, continue to do good things. All those things, when you do that one in the past. The Bible says, all things are past, all things become new. Do the right thing at the right time. Achieve more. Because your achievement now, don't be nightmare to your enemy. Your achievement and the worst saga to your enemy. I must see the truth. I must see the truth. Waiting in the beating. They beat them black and blue. They use the head remove plate number. I do my water. Anything where they talk about reality. Now what's happen, not be saga. I'm not going to concern anybody. I just want to play this video, we couldn't hear. We couldn't hear say or so they talk. A woman will born 5 children, deny 3, accept 2. At the end of the day, deny the 5, abandon the 5, no care. Today, you, me, you, will look me so, make those people, those children to become somebody in the society today. And the entire society assists those children and are still feeding those children. Kudos to you guys. That's why I said she got nothing to lose, because she's already frustrated. The man what she call a husband now, not there with her again, because 2 of them be cataracts. That same man a dog. Now from skirt to skirt to skirt to skirt. Now he the worker follow. Him not losers. You never see the body chop. Because the man get other plastic babe out there. Where plastic makes sense, unique, sexy, gorgeous, pretty than her. We see they call her head, they make her head they go gaga. You feel me so? So that's like so. Children, what she get now, now be a priority with one way. The way God give and way the trade for her there. What they don't even put for Facebook. Monica, your children, this social media. They see your beautiful children for social media. Just the way they see my children for social media. Your children, they talk for social media, they won't talk. They see them. J-Boy, now I revised the 3 car today. When I say J-Boy revised Baby Vera positioner for parking space. He revised the small one positioner. He revised Umba positioner. He revised Monica positioner. All your children, all the car we get, you give the name better. He revised all of them, put them for one place. You snap them. What you see God do for you, we gonna never do for you. The person where they insult you will stay for this media, raise money for the children when they born for Nigeria. We don't wish to get husband, we not take off. Now here we did the same person with the trauma where they insult you. You will sit down here. You will use now you will give him the king name Don Rotimi. Now you will give him the king name Don Rotimi. So you'll see and say, oh, you don't pass. Leave and make noise. It's a noise maker. The wise and the intelligent and the educated people in the diaspora at large, both home and abroad, knew this woman is a failure as a mother. She has failed. So nobody need to come tell me and say, Vera is a better person. Vera need to come to me and say, in a better person, the people with the word now say you are a useless mother. You have failed as a mother. And I want to also beg you, for those of you that love this woman children, former children, don't hesitate to always support the children. If you have any support you want to give the children, clothes or whatever, try as much as possible to assist the children. I greet you now with better style. Oh, heart right there. Don't play. Now that's for that. Please, for those bloggers that are watching me now, from now, cut this particular place, blogger. Tag AG Simile for this video. I want to do so. If you never felt ready to screen record me now, from this place, screen recorder, tag AG Simile, because I want to send a straight message to AG Simile Agbo user. My brother AG Simile Agbo user, I see the video you did, the advert that you did for a Nogi Ewi. Good. It was a nice one. That award was a nice one. Kudos to you, bro. Don't play. Hey, are you boy, yo? That was a nice one. But now, my brother, you see that advert where you do, you will get problem. Yes, I tell you. Even though you be a yes, you understand? If you be a ye, you be kofra. That advert where you do so, you will get problem for this social media, for this cyberspace who will do so. As me can tell you, because me, I don't go see waiting the bad. I go cover my mouth. I will keep quiet. No, I will expose them to you. When I tag AG Simile, I go you sir. Make you listen now and listen very good. If you don't know who Enoge be, Enoge is a godson to Akoberian no Hoa. Akobe no Hoa no man why I see I. It's a godson done. No man give musician the redo, no man give a grow. Akobe no la wise or wawa. Akobe no la wa is shame and disgrace or la we. Is the godfather of the so-called boy you do an advert for. Now, AG Simile, Enoge lives in Germany. The first day, the very day when Enoge see Akoberian for Germany. Now since then, shame and disgrace enter Akobe body. Shame and disgrace enter Enoge body. From there, Akoberian go carry Juju Lagos for his in senior boy wey buy. Go carry Juju Lagos boots. Go bring the juice with the Sagara. Enoge na post the Juju. Na played the Juju for a platform. A month later, Enoge beat him while black and blue and dissolved the marriage. Maybe to my home. Why are they expecting you? You know why? I want to get that belief. Say you don't know what thing, you don't know the scenario, the atrocity behind Enoge. Now people remind you, Enoge beat you while black and blue, insult you while the KG blog carry down the post. Go to the KG blog, go search for her. June 77, July 77. July 7, 2024. That's 7/7. This year will be so. The day we'll be saying that day be the birthday of Ayes. On Sunday, now shame and disgrace enter in the body. Sit down, make the listen. Age simile. It was a spiritual thing, not be normal thing. Because that day, now blessed day. Thank you very much. Ade, Shola, God bless you for the star. That day, now blessed day. Shame and disgrace enter in no body. You don't get dissolved in marriage, so you don't want again. You don't get beat while black and blue leave house, go to sleep out there for 2 days. Age simile way to do advert for Enoge. I believe they listen to me now. Don't come. Age simile. At Eddie Murphy can't gather them together, try to patch the marriage, make them for do the same marriage. Not be married with the same party where you advertise put so because of the clothes that had been sold. Age simile. See, you see that video where you do, then you know collect what for that video. If you don't know, before you do video for anybody for social media, any presenter, whether they give you money, make you do, you go first of all check the presenter first before you do advert for the presenter. You see the way I did so. I did celebrate birthday. I don't give any presenter to celebrate me. I will do myself my own. You go by voice loud, my shoe shine, my face show. You understand? Oh, the presenter will go celebrate, but no say still get mad, nothing they happen. Because if you talk of me good, first you can't insult you. Age simile. So you want to tell me now, say you feel sit down, talk about the marriage of Enoge. When you see how una take the bad, some of una will become as a musician. For some own selfish interest. You guys are always for your selfish interest. You feel sit down and talk about Enoge marriage. You feel carry chair, find chair. Talk about Enoge marriage. Age simile, you always sing Akinyera no wu, no ma wu na ganya na bo. Sa lo bo, you wete yada. Wa gbori na yewe nya Sharon. How can I say RIP to Sharon Obame? But you never posted the good for me and the account of Sharon to support Sharon's children on your page. You did not post it on your page, Ejisibili. Your so-called girlfriend, as I've heard, came out to insult the mother of Sharon Obame. You know, if you sit down, caution that woman on media, post on, they don't see you be really mad with the caution woman. If really so your girlfriend was the sale, that you sing that song for Sharon, kudos to you for that song. Where a lot of people begin to badge on you, say the song was too early. Nobody will tell me when I'm going to cry, or anybody will die. As they cry, nobody will tell me when I'm cry. My cry be song. That's the reason why I don't come for you. I decide to post that song. And that's a song I think they remember Sharon. Now that's a song I think they give her cordless song. Enoge, we have done a lot of atrocity on this media. I remember vividly the reason why you earn my respect for Bini. Me, I want to tell you so. If you don't know, make you know now. A pure water seller give you water, make you drink, make you not pay. A young boy, the thing trigger you to the extent you call the boy. Take money, boy say don't make you leave money. Instead, the money where they with you that day, where they the boss, where they spray you, you dash the boy for his show. You look for the boy parents to start to sponsor that boy. That's a good musician. So that day, you win my heart. But you see this Yama video of you know the way you do so. My brother, I'm highly disappointed by you. You can't act like person where they think before you talk. You want to tell me, say, since when you did social media, you never see nonsense we don't get to do. Children, when we say, you know, get money, give up, the whole world they raise money for them, they assist them. You know, you kick against and saga those children. You want to tell me, say, you know, see them, age civilly. We are hard me woman. I know go saga you. I go assume say you don't know. Number 1. 2, I go assume say they give you money make you do the adverts. Because why? Now here they work, they chop. Now they call them workshop. Because that day, if you did that party that day, I go saga you. No be threat. When I read Kwenogi, if me and when you go to. Because that they go bloody. If you don't know me, I tell you. That you know get marriage go bloody. Daddy. If you don't know, make me tell you. And if you don't take if you did that marriage, you don't go to prison. Now advice I did for you. I'm not going to consider you. And then not get marriage, you will not take time. Who like that? If you did that marriage that day, because why? The way they don't plan the marriage, the same way the enemies they plan their own targets. If you don't know, make you know. That day, it goes sweet. Now, abroad, they will know the Nigeria. This will not be fight matter. This will not be a bank crier. This will not be a harassment. This will be a policia. This will be a policia. Hello, Vigis, good. Passport, document, please. Why are you here? In the film, so. No be threats. Now, law will be used for abroad. Abroad, don't be 30 person. Who 30 you for abroad, you that problem. Now, law they follow. So, my brother, you see that little boy we call a we they pray so. Oze ni do. Emani nyahoe. Mami me no wana. Me o wanda. Ne bote o wanda. Bet me o sioe. No yiri budene. No yiri avaside. Emi no yiko e wodao. Anya se ba me diamani owa. Ni ma reason no bad. Ni ma zikude. If you didn't need marriage. You understand? I don't hear me na working. When you say you are durable to Yiku, if you don't use that, all your data is going to be recorded down on that very day. I agree to now. But for real, legitimately, I am highly disappointed by you for that video you do. For the love I get for you, I know we insult you. Big time. I know we insult you. But according to what you said, if you dare around, you'll go. My brother, if you dare around, you're not going to go see what people of the drink. Because if you go there, you know like what you go see. You understand? People already they wait for things that day. The way don't get the waiting that day. Now so your enemy say they waiting that day. You understand? When I was giving him a swim media again a day, when I had this Disguagua Vera day, una water you way. Una water you if you way. You see, so you don't even see that thing that can make this one you be one high, no matter your footing. Akobe, the day Akobe does a no gas is God's son. Akobe, I back back to the day. Or more boy, you did back when you did Bakobe. Do my hand, you see, come on. And then the Akobe does it no gi as a God's son. Akobe so and give 5 as 1 lakh baby. Akobe comes out, you made Nila on the is go away. Near Rovian Canada. Ni Yikuni. I beg you, me. In a local. Ewe na ya nuangeku una bata moju una wari ya wavat no giwi na be ya for copy be no be lie because you don't person we are like don't be so when me as one this go me am be video me as one we born way The third did not well something. Don't be joking. Which is very bad. Me not sell all those na song go. If I want to come out for you, I will change that for all of now. You understand? My brother, that's what you do, eh? I'll try your next time. Oh. I will real life, eh? Enjoy that, eh? I will real life. Why I go like here? Our brother, our lovely brother, live in Germany, our sister. I go the yobu fake life, fake love everywhere. I could be not like the one vaccine no give me baby. No celebrate no give no. You go where go a bass and near Germany. A no give one of Deutschland. My brother, a ba orase marmo akase. I beg you. Fake love away. It's too large. It's too large. Don't be lie. And you see, it is very, very important. You know what I'm saying? It's very, very unique. So I will leave you guys now. I will leave you guys now because of where. And then I'll leave you guys now. And then I'll take care of more. Understand? Yeah, that's why I follow now. You just believe that video will do not make sense for real. It will make sense. I don't want anything. And you see, because of tomorrow. You understand? You be persevere like. So if I not tell you this word this evening, you know clear. See that time away. I want to also take time very thanks to Adeshola for the star giver. Give me star this evening. God bless you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You understand? Well, you see, for real. Yeah, we're going. We don't like him, but you will advert you, and they might pay you, and not pay you, but because not everybody they do advert for real. You get some of my fans will be saying, they called me. I was talking this thing today. We don't want to talk about when I want to celebrate my birthday last year. No, this year, March 18, this year, when I want to celebrate my birthday. They know say they always play woman good music. And they always play woman good music. They know say I be lover of woman good music. They don't story and say this guy like woman good music. They contact woman good on my behalf. I don't know. They contacted woman good. Me woman good do adverts. A birthday which is for me, my birthday. They go to Magbe. Then nobody ready to come. They need to come UK. We they come UK, so nobody come UK. He was so busy. Couldn't say in the busy this one. I don't know if you do anybody which is the son. Monta the money, so not be the problem, but not if you do birthday which because of the schedule. Don't do it. Now when they can't call me. God tell me see what they will do, see how what you want to do. Ah, see yeah, na do it. For you guys to go to that length, go they look for the musician where they play music. They can't do birthday which is for me. Not try. You understand? This one I want to go. Peradventure, if you feel like it will do the advert, but because it's so Umenwan, I don't know what bowling you know what sagani. Hey, about what we do. Hey, meme, we are not le. I know what we are not le. Now you want to come from Oduga with your canvas. I'm going to do you want to find check. My man is going to say because you come after you. What do you have about me? A week, you know, get to the Adukuni. You know, get to the you know, get on me at Kobe. You will not like Kobe. I'm so back of Bagbo when I'm Panoa. I don't know Kobe cat Bomawane. I don't know Kobe when you're busting your boy. True, no gay. Yes, no gay, and does that Kobe. If you know my tamati na mo yate no mati ge o ya gbunu yiwe mi je ana do zanzan da ba ko be yan akobe do ya ke no de ya me na ye un de be na ye ko mu media na ona sunu social media ma ina na ona sunu na be me wa me ni ma nu pa wa ba na o wa ko wa o to ri we yi be nu pa we ko wa ba de na Because now only you want now for the young stars now who also say as they come Europe, he carry his squad full of the come. Many people are more you know they are tian no they are tian when I misbehave it they just bless you my brother. That's me for you. Or see you won't see. When you do well, you become my friend. I'll hear the praise you go. The way you go fuck up, I'll cause you to matter disgongwa you. Real life me once. Hello? Okay, go on. Hello, speaker. Talk to me. That music is copyright. The user just finish my page. So I play that music for good 2-3 years. And that music destroy my page. You see how they do Umenwan at the level Bezasan. Then they work again. The violation will do there too plenty. So that's the disadvantage of copyright now. They put copyright with the music. So those people are not going to know. If they tell them they go see beat and because they play the music, they're not going to know. Yeah. No, Allah. You feel they play for side. You feel they play for YouTube for inside your house. You feel they play for your house. Therefore, no Allah. No Allah. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You understand? So, anything my brother, Mr. Ejisibili. So I just gotta beg you because when you say that time, my brother, really my respected musician but not misbehave you. Man, we do this good seven. When we believe man, we are musician, or we this good musician. He did karate my heroes. He told him no way.
They say me I am over to Yadova Lady. Understand? When your sister sweetie where as any grow what I am over when as a way we go up with Yadova any man not wake me no semi. You wake me now where you are going to make one not to be happen better one no semi no say.
Alright. According to what this my beautiful sister will come just now about music where they play, which all of you know. And so Kenya is very real. See not see the music, they play the music again. My sister not best. It see all this music. They call it. You know, see all this EU artists. If they need help, they will run come to say, I better help me promote my song. Help me promote my song. Once they just see one album, they will run come to say, help me promote my song. Help me promote my song. Once they promote their song, they don't see the song, they go viral. The greediness within their body, they go they feel say, as the song they go viral. As if you click on Facebook, you jam your video, you go hear Asoke Energy. If you click on this one, you go hear Asoke Energy. If you click on this one, you go hear this one. So they will say, oh, now you will get it, you will this, do down the broadcast, now you they make the money. They're not gonna know say you they help them, they promote their song. The next week you go see them school, they'll go to kiss tongue or content, when they call those people, they'll go to play for them, they'll go put copyrights. They will copyright the song, say copyright song, claim your earning. The money where you're supposed to make for your monetized page already, then go the claim and it will affect your page. You see, I listened to Esther yesterday. I listened to everything Esther yesterday. I laugh. I not blame her. Because nobody, you'll be like, monkey they work by both the job. One thing where you don't understand, about copyright. Copyright get advantage and it get disadvantage. The disadvantage of copyright then big past the advantage of copyright. See, all of them, what they call themselves musicians, who don't know anything about copyrighted music. Music doesn't know the copyright. The disadvantage of copyright is big past the advantage. As a star, as a celebrity, as a musician. If you watch most of the presenters when they copyright their videos, many of them don't failed. They don't go viral. They don't actually know them. Like those presenters who don't copyright their song or their videos. If you see me, I don't get to do something, I don't get to carry my video. You go upload my video for a page. You go get view. The view when you get for a video, me not go get them. But if you say that some people, some women, not even men, no men they really do one. No man now they do one. I never was which man they really copyright some video now. I never ever see any sagas for this saga space. I never see any Benin man with they copyright a video. Apart from the women. Number 1, Monica. Number 2, Lolo. Number 3, Ritaye Miomo. See those TV women, they copyright their videos. You carry their video, you have problem. Number 4, that one don't join again. Kate ODL. Those are people who feed you strike for your videos. You carry their video is not free. Their video is not free for the public domain to make use of. But these same people can carry that post video, take me put it in their pockets. They go copyright them. Like the video where Esther do to yesterday. The major person where Esther talks to narrator. You don't see me, I become different person. Esther not mention name. Destiny not mention name. The person will be the bad person for this video where they use people sweat, they make money. Narrator. Retire no more TV. Proof day. Evidence day. You understand? Proof reward. Evidence reward. Now make the evidence in the destiny forget it. When destiny carry a woman where they call UK. Then the time you take that video where you do that time. Say, you know what I'm sure your name? Now retire no more. You copyright a finishing a video with destiny, finishing in one star, finish it. Always in promoting work when copyright or more. When no young way at me more, you were good at dinner on ya. Also, when I blame me, you might blame me star. But what did people say? All those songs where you don't play with Esther song, copyright will enter all of them. Notification will they meet you. Esther, that's why is claiming any from your video. Esther, that's why is claiming any from your video. Esther, that's why is claiming any from your video. Now be the bad side. You understand? That be the bad side. That's why now he get his song. But it's this bad say he will get his song. When he will play his song for a live broadcast. They will still give a copyright any. They will still claim your own revenue. Now you get your own song, you know, in if you don't have you have you oh, you don't do ni su have me go ba. Make sense. No matter about that you okay. Stomach so you okay. Also, when I see the video we do, I'm not even to come analyze them. Whether if fuck up or you know fuck up, I'm not going to analyze because I write. You write, you know. You understand? Me as you so, I get best as a talk show or the level 1 of the universe. Umenwan talk show. Where will they smile? The young content is creator. I get her. Do you see that or the level 1 of the universe get his copyrighted page? Make copyright a page in it. When I see, I mean, say bloggers carry my video. If blogger carry my video, they will come in. If your video give me copyright, if your video give me copyright, you don't get it, now I adore you. I offer. You understand? I don't feel it because people will different call it come. The only way your copyright will feel they genuine. Like a person like me now. You see this my page now, I didn't do my broadcast. Now me they do this broadcast. I just say if I copyright this page now my broadcast the day here. Anybody can carry my content come out. I'm going to use only working money. We will share the money. When I sweat. When I decide to go, it's in the video carry. You go see the video where I do. Imagine the video where I do last 2 years. Last 2 years, 3 years ago. Where I take Saga, Sharon, Easy, Classic Gloria, Festina Peter. You know you go put up on a page. Where you have the carry money for a page. I feel give and strike. Yes. Now my video, let me do. I feel weird, but what's in the one game? I better make a review. How much you want to for the video? $5, $10. I'm going to keep page. Wait for you to see money they give you children. They chop it by. It not mean anything, don't make any sense. I lock up. I carry one video. It give easy or more strike. Give a copyright claim. That video was a video of Ahan. Where it was suspended. I upload that video for my best at the level 1 of the universe. The level can't give us a copyright claim. Easy Siam, Easy called me. That was the first time when Easy Omori called me. Say, babe, my video, my page give a copyright, the video for public domain. At last no verse. If I don't do what I do, I'll remove her. Immediately that way I remove her sharply. Because I know see many people will carry her. Go rich plastic gloria, all of the carry the video. So I have to remove, off it. Sharp. Because when I get down public domain, only one person. I know how many. Don't know when they do blogging. When you don't give comments, they mock side they do blogging. When they block on the page, they say the page they give me copyright. I have to off it. Because many people from Nigeria, when they carry their video, they call it complaint. They create content and they get the content. My page give them copyright. I'll remove her. I call it my offer. This time I offer totally. So I make peace for day. But you see a Nogi as useless as a Nogi. The way Nogi they upload my video for a page. If na me they upload the Nogi video for my page, you go don't give me strike. If you know video, go tell me to do as the thing, as my saga pain now for body rich. But you see, they use my video, they cash, they use my video, they make money. And they look on because it's my boss.